Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate expression square root a power 5 plus 1 over square root a power 5. So let's get started with our given a. I will write a equal to root 6. We can write root 3 times root 2. Then we have root 3. Then it is root 4. So we will write root 2 times root 2 plus root 2. Now in denominator, I can write root 3 times root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 times root 2 minus root 2. Now let us take root 3 common from here, root 2 common from here. So I will write in bracket root 2 plus 1 and root 2 is common in bracket root 2 plus 1 over root 3 is common in bracket root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 is common root 2 plus 1. Now you can see from numerator and denominator we can take root 2 plus 1 common and it will get cancelled out. So we have root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. Now I can rationalize my denominator. So I need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by denominator's conjugate, which will be root 3 plus root 2. Here also root 3 plus root 2. Now denominator will give us root 3 square minus root 2 square as per difference of two squares identity. And numerator will become root 3 plus root 2 whole square. So we can cancel square root with a square in the denominator. So denominator will become 3 minus 2, which is 1. So I will write our a will be equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now if you will see the expression, we can use the property from exponents a power b whole power c. We can write a power c whole power b. So ultimately we can write root a whole power 5 plus 1 over root a whole power 5. Let me write here. A is equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole square. And we have to evaluate root a whole power 5 plus 1 over root a whole power 5. Now I will consider a square root both sides. Let us take the square root. So square and square root will be over. I can write square root a equal to root 3 plus root 2. And I will consider this is equal to x. So x equal to root 3 plus root 2. And we are going to evaluate x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 as root a equal to x. So I can write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. Now this will be comparatively easier calculation. Let us write here x equal to root 3 plus root 2 and we have to evaluate x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. So I can write here x equal to root 3 plus root 2. Let us consider squaring both sides. So x square will be equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now we can write root 3 square plus root 2 square plus 2 times root 3 times root 2. So x square will be equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2 times root 6, or we can write x square will be equal to 5 plus 2 square root 6. Now subtract 5 from both sides. So x square minus 5 will be equal to 2 square root 6. Let me write here. Minus 5 equal to 2 square root 6. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So I will write here x power 4 minus 10x square plus 25. Right hand side will become 2 square is 4 times 6, so 24. Now I can write x power 4 minus 10x square equal to 24 minus 25. So this value will be negative 1. Now x is non-zero. So I can divide both sides by x square. Let us divide over x square over x square. So I can write x power 4 over x square minus 10x square over x square. So 10 equal to minus 1 over x square. Let us take this term to the LHS and minus 10 to the RHS. So x square plus 1 over x square will be equal to 10. Now I will add 2 to both sides. This side also plus 2. So RHS will be 12 and LHS will be x plus 1 over x whole square. Now I will take square root both sides. So x plus 1 over x, this value will become plus minus root 12, which is equal to plus minus 2 root 3. Now x is positive. So x plus 1 over x will be positive only. So we will reject this minus. Rejected. So we will write here x plus 1 over x equal to 2 square root 3. And we have x square plus 1 over x square, already known equation, it is equal to 10. Now I need to only consider cubing of this equation. X plus 1 over x whole cube equal to, this was root 12 whole cube. Now a plus b whole cube formula we can apply here. We will be writing a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in bracket a plus b. And right hand side I will be writing 12 root 12. Now x plus 1 over x, it is root 12 or 2 root 3. X and x will be cancelled out. So I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times 2, 6 root 3. And right hand side it is 12 root 3, or I can write root 12 as 2 root 3. So this will become 24 root 3. Let us subtract 6 root 3 from both sides. So x cube plus 1 over x cube will be equal to 18 times square root 3. Now I need to multiply only these two equations. X square plus 1 over x square equal to 10 and x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to 18 root 3. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square times x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to 10 times 18 root 3. So our RHS is 180 root 3. Now only need to multiply term by term here. So these two terms will give us required expression x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. Now cross product. This will give us x cube times 1 over x square, that means x, plus x square times 1 over x cube, so 1 over x, equal to 180 root 3. Now x plus 1 over x, this value was 2 root 3. So I will write here 2 times root 3. And this is our required expression. I will write x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to 180 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So I can write our final answer 178 times root 3. X power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, or we can write root a power 5 plus 1 over root a power 5 equal to 178 times root 3. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.